Today I'm going to show you how to prepare nasi goreng kampung. Okay, this is 1 packet of nasi goreng kampung paste. Okay, I use some beef and shrimp, egg and a bowl of rice. You just need to fry the paste until it's thick. Alright, until it's really thickened. I'll show you later how it looks once it gets thick. We can straight away add the meat. This, we get the paste will get thickened and the meat will become tender. And add the shrimp later. As you can see, the paste is really thick. You can now add shrimp. Okay. And let it cook again until it's really thick. You can see it's already really thick. I love prawn or shrimp, so a lot of prawn here. And you can start adding the rice. Okay. Salt. Don't get the salt. There's eggs, okay. I use 2 eggs here. And just let it cook a while. You can see the eggs is already cooked. Just combine, okay, let it make sure it's well combined with the egg, the rice. Okay, there you go. Off the fire, and your nasi goreng kampung is ready to be served. Here's our fried rice, so nasi goreng kampung. Okay, you can serve with fried ikan bilis, cucumber, and kangkong. Some people even serve or eat this with kangkong. Don't forget to try. Okay.